Hey friends, it's Quinby, the Grateful Queen, here on YouTube. Welcome back, welcome. I'm so glad that you're here. Today we are talking about how to fix slow eBay sales. I've been an online reseller part-time on eBay for over 10 years. I sell mostly clothing, shoes, handbags, and that sort of stuff, but I have sold a little bit of everything, so I think this video will apply to you regardless of what product you're actually selling on eBay. Because I've been selling on eBay for over a decade, I kind of have a rhythm over there. I do make daily sales, and I'm pretty happy and consistent with my monthly sales goals. I have about 10 to 15 hours a week to put into this business, and it kind of just chugs along at this point. But a couple weeks ago I noticed, oh my gosh, my eBay sales have tanked. What is going on? And whenever that happens to me, I have a few things that is my go-to formula. When eBay sales get slow for me, these are the things that I do. So I'm gonna share with you the nitty-gritty of what I do when sales are slow to completely turn them around. I was able to bring my sales back to normal within 5 days. I saw some progress at 3 days, and then by 5 days, I was up and running again. So I'm gonna share with you these detailed tips. Generally though, my number one tip is just gonna be get on the platform, get on eBay, and do as much as you can over there. eBay loves to see you on the platform getting to work. When you're making sales, that means they're making money. So they wanna see you on eBay doing everything that you can do to make sales.
That makes sense, right? Yes.
If you're new to the channel, I put my bloopers in at the end of the video. It's fun and funny to watch me struggle as I try and make these videos, so please join me at the end for the bloopers. Okay, let's start with the simplest one, the tip that everybody is probably going to give you if your sales are slow, and that is list, list, list. Get on there and list more. As a part-time reseller with about 10 to 15 hours to put into my eBay business, my goal is 5 a day. I'd love to do it 7 days a week, but it's minimum 5 days, 7 days is great. And in order for me to list more, I have to build drafts in times that I can. So I'm not building brand new 5 listings every single day. I sit down when I have a few hours and I build as many drafts as I can, and I release 5 a day. Why is everybody gonna tell you to list when sales are slow? Because it works. It's my number one go-to intervention. But when my sales tanked recently, I was this is about getting things going again, so I'm gonna try and do more than usual. So I listed more than my 5 a day. I tried to do as many as I could just until I saw my sales come back. The next thing I did was take advantage of eBay's promoted listings. I'm not gonna get into exactly what promoted listings are in detail. If you're not sure what promoted listings are, you can Google it or find some other videos here on YouTube, but I highly recommend going on to eBay itself and reading it for yourself rather than getting somebody else's interpretation or opinion on promoted listings. I've gone back and forth with promoted listings, to be honest with you. Promoted listings, just eBay says, gets more eyes on your item. It's sort of like eBay's advertising of your items. I chose to go in and promote all my listings at 2%. What does that mean? It means eBay is going to promote or advertise your listings on the site. If somebody clicks on your promoted listings and buys it, it sells through promoted listings, then you pay a little bit more of a fee. Just to give you an idea, as a clothing seller, my items are usually between $15 and $100 or something. When I was going through this and trying to get my sales up and running again, that week I sold 6 listings via promoted, and my total for those 6 listings was $2.61. So you're really talking about paying 20 cents, 40 cents, 60 cents an item, which for me is worth it if it means it gets my items sold. If you want to learn more about promoted listings, you can search it here on YouTube. There's going to be many videos. Just keep in mind that you're going to get a lot of different opinions. Some people think promoted listings are amazing, and you definitely need promoted listings to stay competitive on eBay. Some people don't want to pay the extra fees and they think it's not really worth it. So I advise you to do your research, learn what you can, and then take a look at your particular business. What do you sell? What are your business goals? And decide whether promoted listings would work work for you. I'm not sure I'm going to continue promoted listings all the time, but I think it definitely gave my eBay store the boost I needed to get some sales back when they were slow.
Give in the tips. Give in the tips. Ooh, 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 ooh.
Friends, if you're learning anything in this video or you like videos about reselling, I'm going to encourage you to please subscribe to the channel, hit the thumbs up, and make sure to turn on that bell so you know when I go live. You'll get a notification if you turn on the bell or when a new video comes out. Thanks, friends. Okay, this next tip is one of my go-tos. Like, I really feel like it works. I don't always have time to do it, but when I do it, I'm often very excited at the sales that I make. So what I often do is I will go into my eBay store and look at things that have been on the site for 6 months or a year and go in and completely delete the item, end it, and then sell similar. You can do this manually on eBay, or you can use a cross-posting software that'll help you do it in bulk, easily, quickly. I have 2 Chrome extensions that I like to use. One is Vendoo and one is Prime Lister. I have tutorial videos on both of them if you want to check them out. I like them both because they're different, and I'll use any tool that's going to help me make more sales. On eBay, I have tutorial videos, and then I have links in the description if you want to try either Prime Lister or Vendoo to help you quickly and easily delete old stale items that are dragging down your store in the algorithm and then relist them as brand new listings. I find it so satisfying to find an item in my store that's been listed for 6 months with no movement, to end it, and then to relist it and then watch that item sell. It's like, what happened to it? I don't know. Maybe it got a bunch of clicks and views and it didn't sell, so eBay was like, we're not going to keep putting this item at the top of the search in the algorithm. It just gets weighed down, and I think those things do bring down your store. So go in and find items that aren't selling and relist them. Give them a brand new item ID number and watch some old things sell. And nothing helps your sales like getting things sold. So that kind of ties into the next one I'm going to talk about. Wasn't this a good transition, hands? The next tip, and that is offers. Utilize offers on eBay. It's a relatively new thing. What has it been, like a couple years, where now if someone's watching your item, you have the ability to send an offer to them. I make the majority of my sales this way. As soon as I see that someone's watching the item and it shows up in my list, I will send out an offer. And when I am trying to really boost my sales and get sales going, I'll send out hefty offers, 30%, 40% off, just trying to get some sales going. Similarly, I suggest that if your sales are super slow and you're trying to get things going on eBay, accept offers. I know sometimes it's hard to accept like a lowball offer. I mean, if you can afford to lose a few bucks, I accept offers in times where my sales are really slow. Because when I accept an offer, I notice usually right away another offer or 2 comes in. And it's like, if I accept those, you're just getting flow and movement back in your store. If you can't afford to do that and you don't want to take a loss on an item, I totally get it. But a really great way to get more offers and more sales is to accept offers. I don't think eBay likes it when you decline offers. At least counter. And then again, that shows you on the platform, working with the customer, you're countering, maybe they're gonna come back, maybe you can negotiate a sale, but I'll often just take the low sale just because I wanna get movement and flow happening in my eBay store. So I send out as many offers as I can and I accept as many offers as I can. I highly recommend, if you think you're going to sell on eBay, is to get a store. Because with a store, there's all sorts of advantages. For example, you get a coupon for free eBay branded shipping supplies. So you don't have to buy tape, tissue paper, boxes, poly mailers. That comes with your store subscription. Depending on what level store subscription you have, determines how much money they give you as a coupon, but that's worth it in itself. And then it also gives you the ability to look at your analytics and also run a sale. You can always run a sale when sales are slow. Again, it just shows eBay that you're serious, you're working, you're on the platform, you're trying to make sales. This feature I'm really excited about with eBay, and it's newer to me, which is coupons. And I know I'm filming this in the fall of 2021. They just put out a recent seller update, and they're doing all sorts of new things with promoted listings and also with coupons. But having a store, I have the ability now to send coupons, and there's all different ways you can send coupons, but the coupon that I chose to do was sending a coupon to people who had purchased something from me in the past. So all you have to do is go on eBay, go to the orders, go to your sold listings, things that have been paid and shipped, and then right over there on the right, it's going to say, send a coupon. So this also encourages return buyers to your store. And wouldn't that be great to have some customers that shopped with you again and again? This is a way to get more return buyers. Like, they bought something from you, they left you good feedback, they're happy with it, and now you're gonna send them a coupon. So I created a coupon. You can Google that or watch a video on how to create a coupon on eBay for 20% off. And I just put a little note in there that said, thank you for your purchase in my store. Thanks for supporting my small business. Here is a 20% off coupon just for you. And you can set all the parameters of the coupon. It could be a one-time coupon. It could be any percentage that you want or a certain dollar amount off. You get to design the coupon however you want. eBay's making it really easy. Let me know how these tips work for you. I was really able to turn things around very quickly, which was exciting, made me feel good. Whenever my store just feels like stagnant for some reason, I just do use these tips that I've shared with you in this video, and I'm always able to turn things around. I know this wasn't an all-inclusive. I couldn't possibly include every tip, so let us know in the comments what tips you might have for turning around sales when they are slow on eBay. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Get this right. Oh gosh, is that right? Let me check. I don't know. I thought I set the camera all up, and then now I feel way too close. So let me be like, hello, give me a little bit of space. There we go. I think, here we go. So I went into eBay to kind of take a look at why. I don't want to get into why. Let's not get into the whole why your sales are slow. That could be like a whole nother crazy video, right? To completely turn them around. Yeah, tips. That makes sense, right? Did I say enough about what promoted listings are? You can promote, I have two, so let's cut that part out, shall we, Quimby? Let's just cut that part out.